Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Today's video, we are making fried meat pies. So this is the baked version, and then these are the ones that we fried. Stick and stay with me as I show you how everything was obtained. These are the ingredients we are using for today's fried meat pies. We have cooked eggs here, which we've divided into two. We have some salt, 2 cups of hard flour, and then this is our mixing bowl. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Pour in the flour, then we'll add the salt, and this is the butter we've added. So we are going to mix everything together. It will be kind of a folding in process. We are adding in some cold water. This will be done gradually so that the dough doesn't become so soft that can be rolled out. We'll just do it slowly and we'll add in bit by bit. If you add in too much water, you can't fold the dough or roll it out and make it into the shapes you want. So now we are forming it into a dough. This is your cue to know that it's ready to be rolled out. So we spread some flour onto the work surface. We are going to place on the dough, and then we'll start rolling it out with the rolling pin here. I'm going to cut it with the meat pie cutter. We are passing a knife under each of the cut out doughs to flip it over, and then we add the egg to the middle part. So we fold it onto the meat pie cutter, and we are going to add the egg, seal the ends with some water, and then we are going to close it. So this is it. We're going to place it here for the meantime, and then we'll repeat the steps until all the others have the eggs here in it. Now we are going to pick up our baking sheet with some parchment paper lined on it, and then we'll start arranging our meat pies on it. This is it. We are letting it rest for like 5 minutes, and then we'll proceed to frying. But we are going to leave one out and then we'll bake it for you to see how it looks like when it's baked and also when it's fried. You have to create some marks on it with a knife so that the egg shows. Just some thin lines, and then you use the knife to push the dough apart slightly. So you push the dough slightly, and then that is the mark on it. Do same for this. And the last one. We set it aside, and then we start heating up our oil. Now we are going to fry the meat pies which we made earlier. Add in the oil. And then we'll place it on our source of heat. So as you can see, the oil is simmering. We are going to add in the meat pies. We are going to allow it to fry as we turn it side by side until it's golden brown, and then we remove it and place it into the colander. So we are going to remove it. So this is how it looks like after it has been fried. These are the meat pies. This is the fried one, and this is what we baked. So I'm going to break into it. And this is the fried one. I'll break into that as well. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.